Hello everyone, this is Cosmin. Welcome to our how-to section of LIVRESQ. Today's how-to is about how to make a table of contents slash menu for my project. So let me show you my screen. Share. Okay. Practically, you get from the landing page, you get this new standard window. Let's start a new project. A new project has a default section in it. Let's click this section. You see the default row. It has one default cell and a text in it. And very important here, it has this little blue star on your right. What does the blue star means is that here it's already set a bookmark, a default bookmark. So where can I see my bookmarks? Here on the right panel, named bookmarks, I see this bookmark. Let's name it bookmark 1. Start. Are they important? Well, because your menu consists of bookmarks. So your project menu has the bookmarks you choose to be in that menu. I'll show you how to make it very fast. So let's drag a row with 3 cells, row with 2 cells. Let's put 1 picture, 1 text. Okay, let's put a video, a quiz, and an attachment. Okay. Okay, let's put here practically a bookmark. It's can be set on any kind of resource, a text, a cell, a row, whatever. Even a video or a picture. I don't know. Okay, so to put a bookmark, you go on your top actions. You see this star. It says put a bookmark. Click on it. Put a bookmark. You see this blue star again here. It's important, the bookmarks can only be seen at design time. So when you publish the project, you don't see that blue stars on your project. Okay, so this is the new bookmark I set. Let's name it bookmark 2 and say middle. Okay, and let's put one more. Let's name this one. Let's put a picture here, okay, and let's put it on a picture this time. Put bookmark. Let's name it bookmark, whatever, bookmark 3. And bookmark can be used in many ways. One of them is to navigate in between your sections of the project, but as I said, very important, they are used for the project menu. So I see these 3 bookmarks, very important. I can see where are they set when clicking on this targeting. Okay, and you get this highlight as well. So targeting highlight. Okay, let's get back to our project. In the table of contents, you click on it. You see all the bookmarks you set in your sections, all here, and from them you can drag them on your right. I put them all here. You can indent them. You can edit text there. Say, and everything you have here will be seen in your menu. I'll show you how. You just click on View mode of your project. You get the menu in your left. This is your menu: bookmark 1, bookmark 2, bookmark 3. They are functional. Once you click on them, they get you to the items you marked with the bookmarks, the little blue star. So this is how you create your own table of contents from bookmarks and from indentation. You can indent them in whatever way you want. You get this warning if you didn't correctly indent them, but anyway, the system will allow you to use your indentation. So you see here. So you get warnings, but you can do whatever you want. This is how you make your table of contents for your project. So, okay, that was it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be waiting you at the next how-to of LIVRESQ. Thank you.